हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक व्यूअर्स एंड एज यू कैन सी इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऑफ द फेस लिफ्टेड होंडा सिटी जो अभी रिफ्रेश कर दी गई है फॉर 2026. नाउ दिस सेडान हैज बीन इन द कंट्री फॉर 28 years सिंस 1998 और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको क्विकली बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या बदलाव एंड अपडेट्स होंडा ने करे हैं टू ब्रिंग दिस इनटू द इंडियन मार्केट दिस ईयर. Well, the big updates start from the front fascia of the entire sedan itself. अब आप देख पा रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर 2026 Honda City में काफी ज्यादा शार्प नोज डिजाइन कर दी है होंडा ने and that also continues for the LED headlamp. Now these are projector LED headlamps and इधर लोअर बम्पर में आप देखेंगे कि एक फंक्शनल एयर डक्ट भी होंडा ने इस बार ऐड कर दिया है. Overall, the DRL on the up front of the sedan is of a connected shape and gives a very distinct look for this time around. अब ये गाड़ी सही में लग रही है as if it is ready for the modern age era and to take on its rivals. Of course, a special mention has to be for the new Honda logo that you see finished with black right up front here. Overall, the entire nose is now very sharp and gets a sweeping line through the bonnet that you can see right up here. Before moving forward towards the rear end of the facelifted sedan, let's take a look at the side profile. अब of course Honda ने for this year around फ्रंट एंड रेयर लुक काफी ज्यादा शार्पन आउट कर दिया है, बट यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेगा वही रिकॉग्नाइजेबल सिलुएट ऑफ द कार विद द लार्ज विंडो लाइन व्हिच ओपन्स अप अ लॉट ऑफ रूम इनसाइड द कैबिन. हाउएवर, हियर यू विल गेट टू सी ऑन द ORVM कि यहाँ पर अब 360 डिग्री कैमरा का एक एलिमेंट यहाँ पर ऐड हो चुका है which was not there before, and the other fresh element are these 16-inch alloy wheels which Honda is calling the Aeroblade alloy wheels, so they get a very different design and also this dark finish even on the machine finished bits. Moving forward, of course, this is now the new black shade that Honda is finally offering for this popular sedan. Let us know in the comments कि आपको ये ब्लैक शेड में होंडा सिटी कैसी लग रही है. सो फ्रेंड्स, अब मैं आपको ले आया हूँ फेस लिफ्टेड होंडा सिटी के अपडेटेड इंटीरियर्स के अंदर. And of course, the first impression that you will get is that something has changed, and that is because of this ivory colored seats and fabric that Honda has used for this year around. दूसरा सबसे बड़ा अपडेट भी इन्हीं सीट्स में है, and that is because Honda is now giving front ventilated seats in this sedan. In the center, you will get to see this new 10.1-inch infotainment screen, जहां पर अभी आप देख सकते हैं that I am getting a 360-degree view of what is happening around the car. And that is the other addition in this sedan for this year, that Honda has now added 360-degree camera for this vehicle. उसके अलावा इस sedan में अब आपको वायरलेस चार्जर भी मिल जाता है और साथ में मिल जाता है ये इलेक्ट्रिक सनरूफ which you can operate like that. यहाँ पर आपको ड्राइवर इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए देखने को मिलेगा सेमी डिजिटल सेटअप, जहाँ पे आधी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड होती है फ्रॉम अ TFT color screen and the speedometer is in analog format. Now all these updates that I am showing you also apply to the petrol Honda City that has also been launched alongside the new EH-EV. And in terms of drivetrain, कोई खास change Honda ने इन दोनों गाड़ियों में नहीं दिया है. This is purely a facelift. The petrol version is available with the 6-speed manual transmission or the 7-speed CVT automatic and gets the 1.5-liter iVTEC 4-cylinder engine that produces 121 PS of power and 145 Nm of torque. The same goes for the EH-EV as well, but उसमें आपको मिल जाती है एक इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर जिससे पावर में थोड़ी बढ़ोतरी हो जाती है and that produces 253 Nm of torque and returns a class-leading mileage of over 27 km to the liter. Coming to safety, just like the earlier cars, both of the Honda City sedans still get Honda Sensing Level 2 ADAS safety functions, जिसमें collision mitigation, braking आ जाती है, your adaptive cruise control is there, lane keep assist is there, and you will also see that 6 airbags, hill start control और भी बहुत कुछ safety features आपको इन sedans में मिल जाते हैं. So guys, अब मैं आ गया हूँ Honda City facelift के second row में, and of course this has been a strong suite of this sedan through its entire journey. And I can tell you that these lounge style seatings that they have here feel really comfortable in the first impression. Of course, I am 5'11", but I still feel a bit of, compromise on the under thigh support. Apart from that, everything seems to be on point. There is enough headroom, and I also get these handrests with 2 cup holders in the middle. Of course, यहाँ पर air vents भी आपको मिल जाते हैं और साथ में 2 USB-C points to charge your smart devices. Coming to the rear of the facelifted sedan, आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे that compared to the earlier model, this entire tail lamp now gets a clear lens with a smoked out treatment on the inside. पहले ये लेंस होता था रेड शेड में, but now अब इसको कर दिया गया है clear, which gives a very distinct appearance to the rear end of the new City for 2026. Now Honda has also informed us that ये जो lower bumper area आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, यहाँ का ये diffuser and the design has also been updated to incorporate to the facelifted version of this sedan. अब अगर हम boot space की बात करें, so here you get to see that there is ample amount of boot space, but यहाँ पर floorboard थोड़ा ऊपर है because this is the Honda City EHEV model that we are looking at right now. तो lithium ion battery pack की वजह से थोड़ा सा boot space तो compromise होता है, but उस चीज के फायदे आपको होते हैं in terms of overall range and low running costs. So I would say that is not a deal breaker at all. So guys, those were all the updates that have been done for the 2026 Honda City in a nutshell. Now before I let you go, of course, price की तो बात हमें करनी ही चाहिए. And for the Honda City ICE, which is the petrol one, starting price has been set similar to what was for the outgoing model, and that is rupees 11.99 lakh. And for the EHEV, which comes up only in the top end variant, the price is rupees 20.99 lakh. So those were all the highlights of the newly launched 2026 Honda City facelift. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Like always, do not forget to like and share this video if you know any Honda City fans in your circle.